The barometer, guys. What is a barometer? Or a barometer? A barometer is what will allow us to use our altimeter. It does this by measuring the air pressure through which we are traveling. Some aircrafts, I flew an aircraft in Cape Town that literally had holes on the sides of the wings, or on the wings. And as you were flying the aircraft, as you were going through the air would go into the holes. And that is how it then measured the air pressure. Because that air goes through those holes to a system called the barometer. Okay? It actually goes through a whole system that's a lot more than just a barometer. Okay? But it goes through a system, and eventually what happens is it measures how much air pressure is coming into the aircraft, and therefore it then measures that according to the air through which you are flying. Okay. Now, not all aircrafts have the holes. Some aircrafts have different ways of measuring this stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so on smaller aircraft, actually not drones, but aircrafts, is like a tube, like on the left wing.
Do you come from manned aviation? Yes and no. No? Okay, cool.
Just an interest in it.
Oh, okay, sweet. Cool. I see.
That tube that you cover with that red.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's right. So your aircraft, yeah?
Do drones have a barometer?
No, not really. But they do have, it depends on what sort of altimetry system you need. So if you're just measuring above ground level, there's no need. But if you're measuring above mean sea level, so Q and H, because I know you guys know somewhat the terms, Q and H and Q and E, rather than QFE, then you need a barometric system. Okay, cool. So basically, if you're measuring above mean sea level, dude! For drones, usually you just need just an altimeter that can measure above ground level. Okay. Only when you enter into controlled airspace, then you need to get an altimeter that's a bit more advanced than that. Okay. But yes, that's what the barometer does. It measures the air pressure, which then allows us to measure our altimeter above whatever point of air pressure we set. I know that sounds confusing, right? Don't worry about it. On Thursday, we will look way more into all of that. All this Q codes that I just spoke about, Q and E, Q, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's not worry about it now.